Hello everyone, Andrew from P Capital Trading. Thank you for watching this recap. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, or if you have any question, make sure to leave it in the video. So today I had one of my most amazing days. Inflation number CPI came in and it was lower than expected, especially month to month was lower than expected. That means that in the course of 1 year, the inflation is going to come down significantly. Therefore, the rates can go slowly lower, or the Federal Reserve do not have to be very aggressive in slowing down the economy. That was a good news for the market. Market gapped up significantly, 3%, 4%, but sold off during the day, maybe because of the profit taking, or maybe because people are still not very hopeful in the economy. I had a really good day. I had one loss in NVIDIA, and I got stopped out. I get back in it and I made my profit on it. But Tesla was the most interesting stock. Even though Tesla was gapping up, it was very weak all day. And I shorted it twice for a very decent profit. I'm gonna show you how I shorted that. Tesla is in deep trouble. Elon Musk has been focusing on Twitter a lot. He's deep into a very big debt for Twitter. He tries to put Twitter back on his feet, and a lot of car makers are actually catching up with Tesla. So Tesla is not an amazing company anymore. It used to be the leader of the electric vehicles, but now a lot of companies are coming up with really nice cars. A lot of big institutional traders are short now Tesla, and Tesla fundamentally can go as low as $100 per share. Anyways, we as a day traders don't look at this stuff. I showed a Tesla, I added more on Tesla on a short, the level 2 and all the signals were ready for a short, and I made a very decent profit on short. I was actually couldn't believe that in such a strong day I can get such a beautiful short on Tesla. So let's watch my recap. If you have any question, leave it in the comments, and I appreciate a like or subscribe to our channel. Talk to you soon. All right guys, so as we discussed, market gapped up because of CPI, lower inflation, but everything is selling off. Let's take a look at it. So Tesla at 8:30, market gapped up. As you see, Tesla was gapping up very heavily. SPY, QQQ, everything was popping up 4%. But Tesla turned out to be a very weak stock. So sold off. Brian went short. I went short at 173.50. Covered below 171. Bounced back to the VWAP, and I got stopped out. So that was one first trade that I did. So that was the first trade that I did. That was a really nice short. Even though market was strong, it really sold off all day. And then later, what we noticed that Tesla really lost it and went toward the previous day close. I went short again, this time heavily. And from 169 sold off all the way up to 162, where we covered cover previous day close, and then it bounced back and I added at 168, and as you see, continued going down all the way up to 162, and it went down even to 150 and it bounced back. I didn't cover, unfortunately, at 150. I really covered everything at around 160. So that was really like a $12 drop that we got at Tesla. TQQ was another big winner of my trading day. So TQQ at the open sold off. I added and then added more, and then ripped up to the previous day, to the high of the day, came down, came back up again. I added more for another, see if we can break the high of the day. It couldn't, and I got it stopped out at the break even. So that was a really nice trade. This one, although this one was an ad, when you're adding, you bring your stop loss somehow in the middle, and then I got it stopped out at the break even. And as you see, the market later sold off on the Qs. So if you look at the 5-minute chart, really market went all the way to the red. NVIDIA was also a trade that gave me a little bit of a hard time at the open, but it turned out to be a really good one. NVIDIA at the open, I tried to do a 1-minute opening range break up. Tried to catch a 1-minute opening range break up. I got it stopped out here. So when a very strong open, I added more. I got it stopped out below the VWAP, bounced back above the VWAP. I went long at 185 all the way up to 188. I added for the break of high of the day as well. And then at this drop, I got it stopped out. So it was surprisingly that the market opened very strong and sold off all day. See how it goes. It seems that it's recovering a little bit. SPY was up 3% and now it's just recovering at 1%. And yeah, it was just a little bit of surprising for me that really couldn't held at 110. All right, guys, so that was a really great trading day, really great trading day. I have a little bit of positions left here, a little bit of TQQ, SSO, SOXL, and again more SSO. We'll see how it goes, but overall I had a really nice trading day, and I hope that everyone had a good day. So see you tomorrow morning, guys, in the chat room. Tomorrow is the Fed's meeting. They're going to increase the interest rate by about 0.5% and see what more market volatility is giving us. Thank you so much and have a good day.